Welcome, creators, to the future of digital artistry. The Adobe Creative Cloud Collection 2025 is here, and it's a total game changer. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution in how we create, powered by next-generation tools and a deeper integration of Adobe's groundbreaking Generative AI, Firefly. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. You can find the link on our Telegram group. At the heart of it all is the updated Creative Cloud desktop experience. It's your mission control for creativity, with a sleek, intuitive design that makes managing your projects and assets easier than ever. And with seamless integration across all your favorite apps, moving from design to photo to video is now a frictionless process. Let's talk about the star players. Photoshop 2025 unleashes your imagination with the most powerful version of generative fill yet. Simply describe what you want, and watch as your canvas comes to life with stunning, photorealistic results. And for our designers, Illustrator 2025 introduces revolutionary new features that simplify complex workflows and give you precise control over your artwork. And for the filmmakers, Premiere Pro 2025 is faster, smarter, and more collaborative than ever. AI-driven editing tools accelerate your workflow, from automated transcription to new motion graphic templates that make it easy to create stunning visuals on the fly. This collection is a complete ecosystem for every creative need. Whether you're a student just starting out or a seasoned professional, the Adobe Creative Cloud 2025 collection gives you the power to bring your boldest ideas to life. It's more than just software, it's the definitive toolset for the modern creator. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. You can find the link on our Telegram group.